Did you change the light just now?
Andrew, are you a fresh photographer or a natural lighting photographer?
I don't understand why people always ask these questions to photographers, and photographers always like, oh, I'm a natural lighting photographer, I'm a flash photographer. You know what, photographers? You should be able to do both. Don't be afraid of flash. I know why you're afraid of the flash. The main reason is this. You turn on your flash and then you take a shot. This is what you get. It looks like she has oily forehead and skin. Well, the reason is because you have your flash facing her directly. And I know that is why you stopped shooting with flash. You took a shot with natural lighting, it looks like this. You took another shot with your flash, it looks like this. Let me show you the solution of how to overcome this. Instead of having your flash directly pointed to the subject, turn your flash. That's why your flash is swivel. It's a swivelable flash head. So I'm going to turn this to here at a corner. I'm going to use this corner to light her up as if that this is the light source. This is not the light source. So the rule is that when you light up that location, the location is bright enough and that location will light her up. So let's see what we get now. Focus and compare the difference that you have between this shot and this shot. Now I want you to compare the three shots that we had. The one with the flash head facing directly to the subject, and the one with the natural lighting shot, and the one where you use your flash head correctly. Light up the location, don't light up your subject. Now I'm gonna use this button that I've assigned. You should head on to my premium courses here. One of the series we dedicate to premium courses is teach you how you can customize your camera to function faster when you're in a shoot. So I'm going to off the flash. When I press on this button, it turns the flash off, this little button here. So I'm going to press this with this hand, and you notice that the flash off icon is on. Right. So I'm going to do a natural lighting shot of her, and this is the natural lighting shot of her. Compare the two shots that you have, one with the flash, one without the flash. Don't be afraid of the flash. In fact, don't be afraid of anything. Be good in natural lighting, be also even better in flash photography. Here's what you're afraid of now. You take a shot like this, the background looks so much better now, but you're panicking, you say that I don't have enough of light, and you have TTL on. Two things you can do. The easiest thing I'm gonna do instead of using TTL, because TTL fires the flash twice, I'm gonna flip this to manual mode. With manual mode, immediately my flash does not fire twice because TTL works that way. First flash is a pre-flash. So I'm gonna turn this flash to full power. Let me show you what I can do with this now. It's now a full manual power flash. And no, the pose earlier was much nicer. Okay, and 1, 2, go. Compare the two shots now. You now have enough of light to light up your subject. So when you use a flash, you can see the background like this. Good. Look at this. I'm gonna fire this to the front now. There's so many ways we can do this. Look at that. Full power. Full power with this flash goes all the way up there to the ceiling and then bounce back at her. Right, you just stay there. I've got to do a vertical shot of you. Right, this is fantastic, Kenna. 1, 2, go. Wow, look at you. I noticed that the background is a little bit bright, and here's the beautiful part about this. I can actually increase my shutter speed. 800 times 2 is 2 stops darker at 1600, and that will essentially darken the background by 1 stop. You're afraid of the flash because of this. You fire the flash and then the subject looks a little bit dark and underexposed and the background looks completely black. Well, that's because your shutter speed is too high. If you're shooting in full manual mode, all you need to do is drop your shutter speed. In my case, my shutter speed was 1/800th of a second. Don't meter to zero. Show you what I do. I just take 800, divide by 2, I get 400, and divide by 2 again if you want to. So I'm going to swing this all the way down to 200, and let me show you the difference now. And that way, I can see the background better. And if your subject is looking a little bit overexposed like this, drop the compensation value a little bit on your TTL flash, and problem solved. You can see the background, and Kiana is not overexposed. Don't be afraid of the flash. Right, nice, 1, 2. Beautiful. Let me show you how I darken the background now. The shutter speed was 10125 on TTL. You can only do this on TTL, okay? And then I'm gonna swing this all the way to 1000. When I do this, background becomes dark. That is because the shutter speed controls the brightness or darkness of the background. If you like background, all you need to do is just push your flash brighter a bit so that Kiana looks brighter again, and I'm sure you learned a lot from this video itself, and I know that you love this YouTube channel, my style of teaching you with no time wasted, directly, and the fastest way to learn photography and videography. If you do, you should totally head on to my e-learning website right here and check out this All Access account. The All Access account will give you full access to all my e-learning courses right here. 20 over of them, close to 30 of them, and at the same time full access for the whole year to the premium courses as well. Premium courses has all this wide genre of photography. So if you're new to photography and you're going into different genre of photography, the All Access account is the best way to get started and learning quality lessons in videography. And one more thing, if you head onto the website right now, we are still undergoing our 11/11 promo, which means that the All Access account, which used to cost this price, is now at this price. So hurry, enjoy all my lessons, and show your love and support. Why are you holding a camera? Why is she holding a camera?
Should I see you on the camera?
Actually, you're talking to me, right?
Andrew, are you a natural lighting? What? Andrew, are you a fresh?
Don't be afraid of flash. Wow. 看到吗？人家做一个 take， 看到吗？